Hey Marcello, so this is a weird place to start, but you know, whatever. So, due to the circumstances that you're aware of, I don't have a full servicing video for this, but you know, I'm gonna give you the rundown, and that's the way it goes. So this is, let's see, it's 3, so now it would have been about that would have been 9. It's about 16 hours down. So this, now it's completely serviced, but above and beyond that, let's turn that off for now. Hang on, please. I hope that didn't make anyone dizzy. Okay. Alrighty then. Let's do the thing. Okay, so firstly, there is your movement. It's absolutely correct, 7005A, as it should be. The original movement that came with this watch, that was in this watch, was not in great shape. Yeah, this is your old movement right here. I mean, it might have been fine, but I mean, it's kind of, it had some, you know, some pitting and lots of plating blasted off. It was just kind of messy. So you'll get this back. Don't worry about that. You'll be able to look at that and have all kinds of fun with it. But that is it's not near new, but it's near new. How about that? I signed your case back just for you. It says for Marcello Dietrich, and then I did the usual sign-in date for my servicing mark. A bigger one though. I don't normally go that big. So let's do this. Let's put this on. Okay, so the next couple of things I need to talk about are, hang on. Oh, I haven't polished this crystal yet, so. Okay, so there that is. I've cleaned it up a whole lot. It was pretty rough. The case is pretty rough. I got this nylon rest washer here back for the rotating ring. I mean, the watch itself came out, you know, beautifully. Look at that original loom. It's so nice. Okay, so we have a couple questions. We have 2 bezels. What happened was the crystals for these are very particular. They're supposed to neck in a little bit more. The standard crystal is wider, and so somebody had a genuine NOS bezel for this model. They couldn't get it on because of the crystal, so they machined out the inside. So you got that, but it is original. I guarantee it. Then you have this. Let me just try to make that a little more presentable. This is also original. And it's just a matter of, so this one is original. It needs, it's just kind of bonked up and beaten up. Most big thing is that there was a huge section of the insert chipped out here. I've been filling it with enamel, but I forgot I need to do more to get the little flatter, but it is original. And because I changed, is that right? Yeah, right. Yeah, because ooh man, I gotta clean the inside of that crystal. Look at that, I gotta do that. Anyway, but it fits. So there that is. So it's just a matter of deciding which you like better, which you think looks better. That's the fully original one, but it makes the watch look a little tatty. I mean, but it is original. Or you have this one where the inside of the ring was machined out some. I don't know. I think with a little more work, this one might do it. But you already own this one. This one you don't. So I don't, you need to, I guess, think about what you want. But it's pretty cool. I'm pretty happy with it. I'm going to pull that crystal. Don't worry about that. Because I'm still working on fitment anyway. Bracelet. Boom. Boom. It's definitely got wear, but I can polish it up a little more and get a little nicer with the end links. And so it's just, you're going to let me know if this is what you're digging, and which and whatever bezel you choose is fine. It's your watch. You can do whatever you want. Other than that, man, it's good to go. Well, except for the crystal, that thing right there. I'm going to get that out. Okay, you let me know. Thank you